Breathing in dust can be an unpleasant experience, leaving your lungs feeling irritated and uncomfortable. Whether you've been cleaning out the attic, working on a home improvement project, or just caught in a windy, dusty environment, inhaling dust is almost inevitable at some point. The good news is, there are several effective ways to clear out your lungs and get back to feeling normal, which is what we're going to cover in this video. So keep watching to explore the best methods to help you breathe easier and soothe any discomfort caused by dust inhalation. Number 1. Move to a clean, dust-free environment. Immediately after inhaling dust, it's crucial to move to a clean, dust-free environment. This reduces further exposure to irritants and allows your respiratory system to start the recovery process. Ensure the area is well ventilated with fresh air circulating to help dilute any remaining dust particles. If possible, use an air purifier to remove airborne particles. Keeping your surroundings clean and dust-free can significantly reduce respiratory discomfort and prevent additional inhalation of dust. Number 2. Cough to expel dust particles. Coughing is a natural reflex that helps clear the respiratory tract of irritants, including dust. After inhaling dust, it's beneficial to cough deliberately to help expel trapped particles from your lungs. Try to take deep breaths and then cough forcefully, which can help bring up the dust and mucus. Controlled coughing techniques such as huff coughing can also be effective. This method helps prevent dust from settling deeper into your lungs, reducing the risk of irritation and respiratory issues. Number 3. Blow your nose. Blowing your nose helps clear dust particles that may have settled in your nasal passages. Use a soft tissue and gently blow one nostril at a time to avoid irritation. You can also use saline nasal sprays to rinse out dust and keep your nasal passages moist. This practice not only removes dust, but also reduces the risk of it moving further into your respiratory system. Keeping your nasal passages clear can significantly alleviate discomfort and improve breathing after exposure to dust. Number 4. Use a humidifier. Using a humidifier adds moisture to the air, which can soothe irritated airways and help clear dust particles from your lungs. The increased humidity helps loosen mucus, making it easier to expel through coughing. Place the humidifier in your bedroom or any area where you spend significant time to ensure continuous relief. Opt for a cool mist humidifier for a more comfortable experience, and remember to clean the device regularly to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. Number 5. Drink plenty of water. Staying well hydrated is essential after inhaling dust, as it helps thin mucus and facilitates the removal of dust particles from your respiratory system. Drinking plenty of water through the day keeps your throat and airways moist, reducing irritation and easing cough. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider warm fluids like herbal teas and broths, which can provide additional soothing effects. Proper hydration supports overall lung function and helps your body recover more efficiently from dust exposure. Number 6. Rest your body. Resting your body is crucial for recovery after inhaling dust. Physical rest allows your respiratory system to repair and expel dust particles more effectively. Avoid strenuous activities that can strain your lungs and exacerbate symptoms. Ensure you get plenty of sleep, as rest supports your immune system and enhances your body's natural healing processes. Creating a calm and dust-free environment for rest will further aid in reducing respiratory irritation and promote faster recovery. Number 7. Deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help expand your lungs and promote the clearance of dust particles. These exercises involve taking slow, deep breaths, holding for a few seconds, and then exhaling completely. This technique increases lung capacity and enhances the expulsion of dust and mucus. Practice deep breathing in a calm, dust-free environment to maximize benefits. Techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or pursed lip breathing can be particularly effective. Regular practice not only clears your lungs but also improves overall respiratory function. Number 8. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation is an effective method to loosen mucus and dust particles in your lungs. Boil water and pour it into a bowl, then place a towel over your head and inhale the steam deeply. The warm, moist air helps to break up mucus, making it easier to cough out dust and other irritants. Adding essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint can enhance the benefits by providing additional soothing effects. Perform steam inhalation for 10 to 15 minutes a few times a day for optimal results. Number 9. Use an air purifier at home. Using an air purifier at home can significantly reduce the amount of dust and other airborne particles, creating a cleaner breathing environment. Air purifiers with HEPA filters are particularly effective at trapping fine dust particles, allergens, and pollutants. Place the purifier in the rooms where you spend the most time, such as the bedroom and living room. Regularly change the filters to maintain its efficiency. This proactive measure not only helps clear your lungs, but also prevents further respiratory irritation and improves overall indoor air quality. Number 10. Avoid further exposure to dust or other irritants. Avoiding further exposure to dust and other respiratory irritants is crucial after inhaling dust. Stay indoors during windy or dusty conditions and keep windows and doors closed to minimize dust infiltration. Use protective gear such as masks or respirators when engaging in activities that generate dust like cleaning or construction work. Maintaining a clean environment by regularly dusting and vacuuming can also help reduce airborne particles. Limiting your exposure prevents additional irritation and supports the recovery of your respiratory system. Number 11. Use over-the-counter expectorants. Over-the-counter expectorants can help clear your lungs by thinning and loosening mucus, making it easier to expel dust particles. Medications containing guaifenesin are commonly used for this purpose. Follow the dosage instructions on the label and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Using expectorants as directed can provide relief from congestion and facilitate the clearing of your airways, aiding in a quicker recovery after dust inhalation. Number 12. Use a peak flow meter to monitor your lung function. Using a peak flow meter to monitor your lung function can help you track your respiratory health after inhaling dust. This handheld device measures the speed at which you can expel air from your lungs, indicating how well your lungs are functioning. Regular monitoring can detect any declines in lung function, prompting timely medical intervention if necessary. Record your readings and share them with your healthcare provider to ensure proper management and recovery. Monitoring your lung function helps you stay proactive about your respiratory health and catch potential issues early. Number 13. Seek medical advice if symptoms persist. If symptoms persist or worsen after inhaling dust, seeking medical advice is essential. Persistent coughing, shortness of breath, chest pain, or wheezing could indicate a more serious issue that requires professional evaluation. A healthcare provider can perform a thorough examination, conduct necessary tests, and recommend appropriate treatments. Early intervention can prevent complications and ensure your respiratory system heals properly. Don't hesitate to contact a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your symptoms. But as previously mentioned, inhaling dust can be a bothersome and sometimes unavoidable part of life. But with the right strategies, you can quickly clear your lungs and feel better. From staying hydrated and using steam therapy to practicing deep breathing exercises, these methods are simple yet effective. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can minimize the discomfort and keep your lungs in good shape. Remember, taking care of your respiratory health is essential for overall well-being, so the next time you find yourself dealing with dust, you'll be well prepared to breathe easy again. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. There should be some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right about now that I think you will enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. And as always, breathe easy, my friend.